I do want to quickly remind everybody about the Beekeepers Boot Camp coming up September the 28th. You'll see some information here on the screen. Let's just go ahead and give that to you full screen there so that you guys can grab some of that information. We're going to pick up the tab on lunch for you guys. It's really cool. The cost is very affordable at $70, but you can bring guests for half price.
That's right.
If you have a gaggle of children who are interested in beekeeping, bring them.
And Brian will babysit them during that time.
So we certainly hope that you'll avail of this opportunity. $70 for you, $35 for your guest. Seating is limited, and we have moved it back to Toccoa, Georgia at Mountain Sweet Honey's main location. And so just be aware that that limits the number of seats. So it's imperative that you use that QR code there in the upper right-hand corner or the link that is provided in the video description as soon as possible. At least go ahead and zoom in on that with the QR code so that you'll know where to get all the details and begin thinking about attending the National Beekeepers Boot Camp. So we definitely encourage that and hope very much to see you guys there.
And you know what, Brian? If anybody says this was not worth it, I'll write you a check or give you your credit card back on a credit for your credit card. We have had outstanding reviews on this class, and we've added a lot more material to it, and look forward to seeing everybody. We have people driving in from a lot of different states or flying in and staying with us for the day. And it's a good, fun experience. We get to hear a lot of funny stories at the same time. So sign up online or give us a call at 706-886-1322, and we'll get you signed up over the phone.